Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and now in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Now let's tap on the software information and localize build number. All we have to do right now is to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Simply confirm everything with your screen lock, and here we've got the information. Now let's scroll down in this left section again to enter the developer options. And now all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, Automatic Update System. All you have to do is to tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to update your device manually. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.